Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to send high quality media from your Messenger mobile. Now let's begin. Do note that I already have the Messenger application installed in my mobile device and updated it to the latest version. In case you have not, do update it right now. In case you have not logged in, log in as well. Right now, we simply want to send high quality media from our Messenger account. Now let's begin. Now I'm gonna try to send something to my friend Tom right here. Do note, in order to send high quality media, you must have enabled end-to-end encrypted chat. Now let's try to send high quality media from our Messenger account. Right here at the bottom, you will find a gallery-like icon in between camera and microphone. Just click on it. As you can see, right here, you can find a new icon called as HD. Just click on it and send any media of your choice. This will ensure that you send the highest quality media to your friend. Simply hit on the send button right here, and there you go. Here's the icon right here that says HD. Now I'm going to try to send a video to my friend as well. Again, I'm going to enable this HD button right here. Now I'm going to send this video. I'm going to click on send, and there we go. That's how we send high quality media from Messenger. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Thank you.